And I was going to take this as far as it could take me. And that's what it did. It took me through my undergraduate degree at Fort Lewis College, where I got my degree in biology, right into a PhD program at UC Berkeley, where I worked in the Department of Zoology and did cell and developmental biology research, getting my degree in 1991, becoming what I think, and no one has told me differently, the first American Indian to get a PhD in the bench sciences in Berkeley's 100-year history. So, I was very proud to be looking at that as something of my doing. And then I went to UC San Francisco, where I worked as a postdoc in the Department of Anatomy and the Cardiovascular Research Institute, where I performed research on muscle development in the vertebrate embryo. In this case, it was a chicken embryo. And to try to understand how molecular signals and all of that regulate the early development of muscle. And, I made a lot of inroads there. I became famous for that work, internationally famous, because we made some big discoveries in that field, coming from my knowledge of fluorescence from Berkeley and working with a really great guy at UC SF who was very prominent in development and made my name in that field, embryonic myogenesis it's called. And that took me to my faculty career at San Francisco State, which I started in 2000, fall of 2000, and it led me to my tenure and promotion in 2006, and where I am now currently as an associate professor in the biology department. I like what I do as an academic. There aren't very many American Indians who are in the biological sciences who are academics. I would say in the sciences in general. Right now in biology, I think I can count of only 5 American Indians who do the things I do across the United States, who are professors and have research labs and teach students science. So we need more, and that's my goal here at SACNAS, is to try to encourage those coming up that there's a wide open world out here in the field of academia and in science, and it's a rewarding career. I like the fact that I take students who were like me, and I use my mentoring and all of that has come with this to train them to be the next academics as well as scientists that are going to be having careers in the research fields out there. And so it's a rewarding career, and I can't think of anything that would be better for me. Well, as an American Indian, I always kind of think about my people and where we are, and we're always at the lowest level when they name the ranks of where we are. Something around 0.05% of all PhDs awarded every year, and that number doesn't change since I was back in graduate school back in the mid '80s. So we need more, and the only way that's going to change is when you get there. And so the Navajo tribe or the other Indian reservations need your expertise, whether you're there or whether you're, like I am, at a major university in California. You can still be a contributor to your tribe and your people and make an impact in their lives, help them move forward, have satisfying careers.